guys, I'm Yuki, Japanese hairdresser. How's it going? Did you watch my last video? I made a video how to make Beomgyu hair. I added the subtitles which are spoken a lot of country. If you have not watched it yet, please check that before watch these videos. Okay, today let me explain Beomgyu hair. I think Beomgyu hair has an important point, so we have to be careful when we make it. What is the important point? It is balance control. We have various types of contours, right? A round shape, oval shape, square shaped, and stuff like that. When we make Beomgyu hair, we should change the balance to suit personal contours. Thinking balance gives them good hair design. If you are a beginner hairstylist, you should conscious of these points. Let's get started. Okay, first, let's think about face shapes. There are roughly 3 categories. In fact, we have so many shape forms, not 3. But today, I will explain 3 patterns. I'm gonna cut the chase. If customer have a round shaped, you should give a vertically long shaped to them. Beomgyu hair is vertically long hair, right? But it depends on how much hair volume customer have. If they are thick hair, it makes them round shaped. Volume of side section looks like a round shaped. What should we do? In this case, we should thin out to side sections. We have to concentrate on making a vertically long shape. When you try to change the form, you can use thinning scissors. And I suggest making thin bangs. Next, oval faced case. In this case, we have to put the volume to side sections. It's the opposite of a round faced. We must make the nape length shorter than general roof hair. I mean, it's better the distance of bangs and nape lengths are near. And then thick bangs is also good. You don't thin out bangs too much. Okay, finally, I'm gonna explain a square face case. By the way, I want to ask you guys about permanent wave. Is it popular in your country? Our hair salon case, about 30% of the customer try to get a permanent wave. I suggest you make the volume to top. I mean, you should gather to attention to top from contours. Like this. Okay, that's all. You should change the balance of hair to suit the contours of the individuals. Have a try. See you next time. Bye.